Hello. Hi, Lucky Pie.
He did such a great job.
You're right. Yes, you did so good on a long drive.
Yeah.
And now you get to see hummingbirds. Uncle Ricky take you out.
All right, here we go.
Here we go, Lucky Pie.
Woo!
Yeah, Lucky. Good job. I'm very proud of my big boy. All right, let's go and see some birdies.
Giving us like stories of his like back in the days.
Is this for the vlog?
Yes.
Yeah.
So we did a trade. I did the.
All right, let's go with Lucky Pie.
All right, where are we going?
Right there. Come, Lucky. Let's go and see.
Okay. So when next when we go back home, I need to like get it, put it in my car, so I have it there.
Shurland's Nature Park and Adventures.
Yeah, she did the cake.
Lucky, do you have $100?
I did.
Lucky, you have money to pay for us to get in?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look, the birdies are ready.
Oh, wow.
Hello. Well, yeah, you can just chill here. Anyway, hey guys. Lucky, what's that?
He shot his head around.
Yeah.
He's like,
You can stop right there, Rix.
okay.
Any hair is good. So there's these little feeders. This white thing here, you could pour some of the sugar water into them. You just hold them, and you could feed them. Maybe you can hold some and like they're coming around. Lucky, right?
They know Lucky Pie's here. Lucky.
Lucky, what is those?
Wow.
Woo!
They're fighting, they want some.
Yeah, they want some sugar.
They are surrounded by beautiful things to eat.
Is this enough?
Yeah, you can fill it as much as you want. Every week you get one.
So cool. Let me fill one up.
Wow, Lucky Pie, look at the birdies.
Bird? Wow.
Look at those birdies, Lukes.
How you feeling, baby?
He's fine. I'm
Yeah.
a little bit nervous.
They're loud to their wings.
And you can feel the wind. Oh, he likes.
Ooh,
He's
you like
where'd
that?
they go? I want them to come back.
See, Mama, come on, come on, take pictures of me, Mama.
Yum. And there's a special type of hummingbird that's only found in this little garden.
Oh.
But we won't bring that up because Alan doesn't know his birds very well. No, a few of them are. Look, you want to hold them?
They're not like Charlie.
Wait for me to get the cover on.
Crazy.
They trust you.
Yeah. I'm like Cinderella with the
Yeah,
birds.
sing, babe.
Snow White.
We're keeping all of that in the video.
Oh my gosh.
It did it again.
Yeah, I gotta be calm next time it does it. So just...
Hi, Merry Christmas!
I love it to see this little
Oh God, give Auntie a hug.
I love to see you play with the little pussycat.
Hello, look at
Charlie.
you guys. Hello. Say
Hello.
hello.
You're feeding
Say
the birdie.
hello. Now again.
Nice boy.
First time we ever seen only birds and
Okay,
everything.
right. So how you guys doing?
Shurland, that's too much. You're supposed to be resting.
That is the one of the thing I want to serve here. So I wanted to capture that.
Thank you very much. I will definitely capture it. Lucky again, fried chicken and dasheen fries. Wow.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking on the way, I was
That's
like, I'm
like
starving.
this. Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Well,
God,
because we have to
that's
split
perfect.
our little...
yes,
Everything she
true.
cooks too, this tastes good. Thank you very much. Shurland, I don't think I've ever had anything other than your normal meal, so
This is the wedges. And you have
wedges.
Coleslaw.
Chicken, coleslaw, very nice. They're gonna really appreciate
I'm
that.
going to bring the garlic sauce.
Looky.
Nice.
I know Matt and Ricky are hungry. I'll get Matt and Ricky ready for nummies. And why you been? You have to be nice, auntie Shurland. No cries. No cries.
I don't have any on.
I wonder if he wants to walk around.
Wearing long sleeves.
So that's the hot chocolate.
Yes.
So guys, and you'll taste this to the special chocolate tea. Let me get Uncle West with all his birds there, the bird whisperer. Auntie Gabby and Uncle Ricky fixing up your big toes.
How many siblings does it take to put on one shoe?
2.
3.
Tres.
Obviously 3 at this point.
It was very kind of her to fix up food anyway.
There we go. Auntie Gabby did it.
Looky. Ooh. I don't think.
You want some off, Matt?
Alright.
It's hot.
A little hot. It's hot. Hold on, Baba. And go open his mouth. Dasheen fries, looky.
What, Jordy? Can I have some?
There you go. Yeah, what's that, Mom? You like the dasheen fries from Auntie Shurland? Right, you must be respectful. All that growling and anything to get food in here. Foodie time on the deck. Matt and Ricky
Good deal.
deep in concentration eating. Your bird friends are showing up.
Hello.
Not a bad view, eh?
No.
Not a bad view. Yeah, put one there. Looky pie. Mama giving you good nummies. Yummy. Yes.
No.
Okay. That grong is too hard for crawling, Mr. Lukes. Mr. Lukes.
He feels unsettled.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's very uneven.
No.
Lucas.
Come on, better than that.
Oh, thank you.
Look at doggy. Look at doggy. Say hi, doggy. Hi, doggy. Where you walking? Up, up, up. Where's that?
The funny.
Looky, hello lion, hello lion. Look, Looky.
That's her name.
Say lion, hi lion.
Hi, Lion.
Hi lion. This is Looky. Lion, look, Looky. Say hi, Looky. Looky, who's that? Say hello.
Good boy.
How is the tea tasting?
Oh,
It's good?
delicious.
It's good.
Super sweet. Super lovely.
And that's like real proper Tobago chocolate and all that stuff, eh? Like very
Cocoa.
local. Yeah, real Tobago.
You know, before I had gas and thing on the way up, and this is like helping
fixing it?
everything.
Really?
They have a lot of
Yeah,
bay
yeah.
leaf and spices and, thing and
Good
local stuff in it, eh?
things.
Yeah,
I mean,
like-
obviously
Yeah,
it
the
has
whole world is
sugar
gonna
and
know
stuff
you
too,
had
right?
gas.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
alright. That's alright. That's the cure of it. That's the main thing. You know?
West is like one of those ads for pharmaceutical companies, like, you know, on my way up here I had severe gas pains and everything like that.
Yeah.
Ask your doctor about
That's what the smell was in the truck.
Yeah. Matt, how's the food?
Oh, so good, as you can tell.
Yeah. All done. And Ricky's one is even worse.
Lick the plate.
How's the chocolate?
Oh,
Really
it's
KFC.
so good. Oh my goodness.
Yeah,
It's
I
got
like-
spices in it. Like
Tons of spices.
so yummy.
Yeah, I actually prefer it to like regular chocolate milk and stuff. That's good, and well, Shurland surprised us all with this because we were not coming up expecting any food.
And I needed it.
Yeah, she's so good.
Matt was hungry.
And the view. I'm glad we got to come here.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah.
Makes one of those moments where you feel like.
Fried dasheen. Which is delicious. Fried chicken.
My other favorite is one that
Oh, and she's spicy.
Everything Shurland makes tastes good.
Yeah.
So Lukes, you okay? You scrape your knee? I see your first ever scraped knee. So we don't run face first down roads.
No, I don't.
Alright, you're a big boy. No more crying. Good job. There's lots of birdies. Birds are greedy. Hey, where's ice cream time? None for Lukey though. Come down here with us, Shurls. I want to see if he calm enough. Woo!
So you have soursop and coconut ice cream, and you have fruit cake as topping.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
That is so nice.
Soursop and coconut ice cream with fruitcake on top.
Yes.
Shurland, which one is it cooked?
They mix.
Oh, they mix. Oh, they mix.
Oh,
Okay.
Thank you.
No, I can have. I just wasn't sure. Thank you.
You can put it right there. What happened? What happened? You want? What happened to Luke? Luke, give her a hug now. Mama, how ice cream tasting?
Delicious.
Delicious. No ice cream for Lukey.
Was it cake in it?
It's fruit cake.
Yeah.
How does that taste, guys? Is it good?
So good.
Coconut and soursop, I believe.
Oh,
Yeah.
yum.
Yeah.
It's
Coconut what?
So it's coconut and soursop ice cream.
It is sour sauce.
It's a kind of crazy looking fruit. I'll see if I find one to show you. Does it taste good?
Yeah, 2 fruit cakes eating fruit cake.
You can put that in the video.
Why not?
Delicious.
I like this coconut.
So there's fruitcake, eating fruitcakes in the video.
We love a fruitcake, love fruitcake.
And then there's Gassy Guy, Wes,
My new friend.
Hummingbird. You wanna go down? Here. Go and beg people for the ice cream that you got.
This is a video that Lucas is supposed to watch later.
He's not allowed. So, do you have any ice cream? That's too much sugar.
Are you touching the puppy? You saw that?
Gonna sneak. He just fed her again. Oh, look, another puppy.
Another pups, Lukes.
No,
Yeah.
my love. We cannot have this. Baby. Come, my love. I know.
Life is so hard.
Let me see if you want a banana.
The view is okay, right?
Say thank you very much, Auntie Shirls, for being so good to us. We enjoyed all our foodies, and Lukey completed a very long drive to come and visit her in Tobago. Say thanks, Lukey. Everyone, goodbye. See you soon. Bye bye, Lukey. Good boy. Thank you, Shurland. Everybody, visit Shurland's Nature Park in Tobago. Lukey, look, Lukes. Wow, Lukey. Wow.
They want to make it like
She didn't know what to do.
Yeah.